Bonjour from Paris. No. He is not Paris. He's not Paris. He's not Paris. Meet police. Children from Sofia. No. He's not Sofia. He's not It's not Bulgaria. Yes, this is Istanbul.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that.
100? You kill me.
Stop that. I hear him chat to the noise. Move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear him chat with the boys. Man so tough, but mans keep walking. Just too sharp with the prize.
Marhaba. This man is nice man. The best man all Istanbul. Allah good heart.
MashaAllah.
MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah.
Welcome to Istanbul. Welcome to Istanbul. Tamam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in Istanbul, I just wake. I look. Scammer.
Behind here it is very famous.
That I was it. This Sultan Ahmed, yeah?
Sultan Ahmed, yeah.
I was there.
Okay. Where are you from, sir?
Sofia. Huh?
Where are you from?
Where I am from?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm
You
from
first.
Turkey.
Turkey, tamam. Me too, Turkey.
Turkey.
No, huh?
Maybe father or mother Turkey.
No.
Will be maybe.
No.
United States or United Kingdom?
United States, yeah? You get
Really?
it, yeah.
You must, shopping.
How much?
Size. This one 600 lira.
600.
Yes.
Yeah, I make breakfast and we gotta go together. You and me. Yes, peace. Enough. My breakfast and
Got the feeling in your bones. Make you feel right at home. Honey, does it well. Keep me dancing till I'm dead. 'Cause I could run a mile like this. Head over heels and this.
mein Frühstück. Ich esse am Tag nur zweimal. Frühstück und Abendessen. Mein Abendessen heißt wie Mittagessen. Ja. Einmal im Hotel. Ja. Ich sage euch, im Hotel nicht aus. Einmal im Hotel, einmal draußen. Genau, einmal im Hotel, einmal draußen. Hm? Aber meine Frühstück muss gut sein. Ja, tschüss. Wir sehen uns später in der Stadt. Ja. Jetzt mal ein Jahre Breakfast. Bis dann.
No. I don't know, I forget. Good morning of Turkish. Good morning. If you like. Yes, I am right now in Istanbul. Istanbul. Hey guys, you speak English?
Yes.
English? What you call good morning Turkish? Marhaba. Hello. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning. Günaydın. Günaydın.
Günaydın.
Günaydın.
Günaydın from Israel. You know English, man. Günaydın from Istanbul, man.
So fine, she's running laps around my heart. She's more than perfect, she's not the type to go play a part. She came and killed my whole life, and just like Mike Tyson, now I'm here seeing stars. I could take all of my time.
Okay. Okay, brother, do you have this one? 42? Large, do you have? Okay. How much?
Size. This one 600 lira.
600.
Yes.
No. Take it. It's expensive, man. Last price.
This how much?
You said how much?
Okay, for you 500 lira.
500.
500.
I give you 250. It's okay?
500 plus price.
250.
No, 500. 500 normally 600 lira.
Okay, I give you last price
Last price.
250.
No, brother.
Yeah? Okay, 250 no?
No,
Okay, I give you last price 275.
75. No, brother.
275, 275,
Oh.
275. Okay, bye.
Okay, for you 450 lira.
450. Okay, I give you last
No.
price
Price.
300.
Last price.
300. Okay, I go. 300 I go.
Okay, come. Best price. Okay, best price 350 lira. Best
Okay.
price.
Okay, I give 350.
Okay.
Okay, take the camera. 350.
350.
300.
50.
300.
50. No,
300. 300. I give you 20. Okay, I give you 20. I give you are
50.
okay. Package. Okay.
Paket kıvano.
Okay, yeah.
مليار شاسة ودولار خمسة وشعار في ايه حاجات
Okay. Marka shop. Coming people, Marka shop.
Quality here.
Kalitehi Marka shop.
Boxes, boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it, stop it. Quitting was never an option. Exhausted, exhausted. This passion is never exhausted. You cannot stop it. Nah, you cannot stop it. I had to switch up the flow, show you the way that it goes. God is good, life is hard, but it gets better when you brain smart. I'm just really trying to leave a mark. We tired of being who they say we are.
I need this one. I think I don't know how much. Brother, how much is one?
400 lira.
400?
Yeah.
Okay, take this one.
You want?
Bag. You said 400?
Yeah, 400 lira.
Okay.
12.50 inside. 4.
Take this one. Take first. Take first. Take first. Thank you.
My friend.
Thank you. That is the deal.
What is 300 lira? Okay, give me 200 lira more.
No. I know the price. I know the price.
What is price?
Yeah, 100 lira.
This is not 100 lira, my friend.
100 lira. This is no 100. Okay. Okay.
This is not 100 lira. This is
not
okay.
100.
Give me 200 lira more.
100.
Okay, finish.
100. 100. It's okay. ID.
Crazy man.
Bye.
mosque behind there. This
Okay.
is Topkapı.
Okay.
And Basilica Sistina behind here, it is very famous. You have to visit
that I was. This Sultan Ahmed, yeah.
Sultan Ahmed, yeah.
I was there.
Okay. Where are you from, sir?
Huh?
Where are you from?
Where I am from?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm
You
from
first.
Turkey.
Turkey, tamam. Me too, Turkey.
Turkey. Maybe father or mother Turkey.
No.
Will be maybe.
No.
Normally.
No.
United States or
You-
United
you-
Kingdom?
United States, you get
Really?
it, yeah.
No, I'm from here, no.
How can you know?
I'm sorry?
You said United States,
Yeah, you maybe, because your face like it, yeah.
like America.
Yeah, the America. Yeah.
Okay.
And then
What are you doing now?
we have shopping. We sell carpet, gold, silver,
Oh,
and
shopping.
different many places. Yeah. That might
Okay.
give you more business card.
No,
You
just-
don't have to buy. Only
Just I walk, you know.
here.
I buy.
We will speak. You are very friendly.
Yeah,
are very
you
handsome.
too, man.
Very
You are too.
What's
Tamam.
your name?
Eric.
Eric.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Said,
meet you.
I give you my business card. After that, we will speak small. We will exchange
Yo, man.
cultures for Turkey.
I have to
yeah.
go to. I have not, time.
Near, 1 minute.
Next time. Abi.
Hadi aşkım hadi. Oy çek. Abi.
How much?
150.
150. Okay, 150. Do you have all growth, yeah? Oh, large. Do you
long.
have short?
Short? Yes, brim. Hey,
Wait.
Short.
Yeah, just look it now.
This is all
Okay.
the short. All the long.
File is all long.
This is all the long.
Only this one?
But only long. I have short one. I have another. Yes, my guy. This is all the short. Long.
Long. All it's long.
All this long.
Okay. You said how much?
150.
150. Okay. XL? Do you have?
XL I have. This is small. I have XL. Come one with XL.
Okay. Wait a minute. I
This
just
is all
look
the,
it.
all the medium.
Okay.
XL. brother. XL. L no L.
Or L?
XL.
Yes, XL. The same size, you know?
XL. This is XL, bro. XL.
Why not this?
This is Moschino.
Okay. 1, 2.
So, this one.
What's this?
This color finger.
It's not. Okay.
Okay.
This two? No, not this. Just a minute.
This no.
Okay. 1, 2, on this 3. It's large. All. Okay.
This no.
Okay.
Large,
I can buy this 3 pieces. Okay. Tell me the price. All these 3.
Brother, this is normal. This is normal. 150 lira each. 400 lira complete. Complete 400.
You are happy. I am happy. I give you price. I give you price.
Right. One.
Okay. You said 450. 400. Okay.
450. Normal 450.
No, okay.
450.
No, normal, you make 50 down, 400 say. Yeah?
Yeah.
Come down. Come first down before I tell the real price. Just a little bit down and I start from down. Oh, okay?
400 lira.
400.
Very nice.
Abi, I give you 250 last. It's okay? 250 no? You make deal, man. You must say, yo, man, you are a nice guy. I know you make good price. 250? Abi, no? Talk. Tell me you. No. Talk your price. 250, 260, 270? Okay, I do. 350? I'll give you 280 last price. 280.
Bro,
280?
not for me, not for you.
Okay.
At 320 lira.
320?
Yeah.
Not for you, not for me. I give you 290. Okay. Three last. He didn't call me. I think this is a good price, 320. It's a nice price. 3 pieces. I buy it. Abi, haydi. Okay. I think I give you your price, okay? Tamam. So, 1, 2, 3 pieces, 320. So I think it's a nice price. I buy it. Tamam. Good? You are good? Anne?
No, this normal.
How old? 90? You don't know?
98.
98. Oh, 100. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. I am also. What's it?
320.
Ah.
20 lira this way, Baba. 20 lira this way.
Yeah?
20 lira this way.
Okay. Three?
Done, okay.
No, it says Omar. You good heart, good.
No problem.
No. Huh? You are nice. Tamam.
Sağ ol senden de.
Have a nice evening.
English.
For what?
Bu ne? Bayrak sever mi? Telefon videosu.
Madam manager, dakika. No, okay, 1 dakika. Dakika.
I was just. He said I cannot.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
No, dakika. 1 dakika.
Only criminal are fed from camera. You know what I mean? Legal people.
Yes.
It's just no problem.
No, here.
Very girls, you know, it's music, good place, many people.
Yeah, girls,
Yes.
sexy girls.
Maybe.
Maybe.
هاي اوكرانيا، روس، تركي، عربي، ايراني، مطعم علوي اوتيل. اوتيل هيك.
Yeah,
Hotel here.
Yes.
تقسيم.
Taksim Hotel. Yeah.
تمام اقدم شو مره يوزو مطعم علوي اوتيل.
Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaeton pa' mí que muñeca. Le gusta salir y seducir.